Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we've got an announcement to make. We're running a competition and what can we win?
This book had to teach you how to draw realistic animals.
And if any of the viewers want to win this amazing prize, you need to subscribe to our channel, press the bell for notifications and send us your artwork to our Facebook page. Do you know what our Facebook page is?
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
Fantastic. Now today, what are we going to be drawing?
A dragon.
And we're going to be drawing like an Asian style dragon, aren't we? So it's a dragon without wings. Okay. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. So, let's start with our black pen. And about here.
Yeah.
Yeah, about here, we're going to draw a little circle like that. And that's going to be the nose.
I thought it was going to be a tiny eye.
No, it's going to be like a little button though, so we just colour it in like that. Okay? And then we're going to do a straight line going down from the nose. And then at this point we're going to do like a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. So like that and like that. Okay? And then
Wait, connecting.
that's it, yeah? And then kind of like the top of a heart, we're going to go loop round that way and loop round that way.
No,
Okay.
I know it's
Yeah,
like
that's good.
It's like a heart split.
Yeah, like a split heart. And then here we're going to do like some fangs, so I'm going to curve them a little bit that way.
It's poisonous?
Yeah, it could be poisonous. Like Asian dragons are like a mixture of like a tiger, a snake and a deer. So it could be poisonous, okay? And then here we're just going to do a curved line down like that and then another curved line down like that.
What is that going to be?
Well, that's like the bottom of his jaw and kind of like they have like a little bit of a beard, okay? So either side of there we're going to do the eyes. So we're going to do circles,
Can we colour that in?
but a little bit bigger.
Can we colour that in?
Not yet, no, we'll do that in colour when we're finished, okay? And then we'll do another circle over here like that. Okay, and we can block that in. Okay, right. And around here we're going to do like chubby cheeks, so we're going to go loop round like that. Kind of again like a heart, like the start of a heart shape.
Monkey.
Yeah, like the monkey.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay,
that's
that
great.
looks super chubby.
No, that's really good. Okay, and then in the middle is where the scales are. So just up from there, I'm going to draw a straight line going up like that. Yeah?
Good God.
And then I'm going to do a line that way and a line that way, so we've got like a V shape.
Yeah, that's actually really funny.
Yeah? And then we're going to go
Arrow,
up.
it's an arrow.
Like an arrow, yeah, that's a better way of saying it. And then this way we're going to do lines pointing in the opposite direction. And then for the last bit, instead of it being straight, we're just going to curve it a little bit like that.
It's a diamond.
Yeah, like a diamond.
And also a leaf.
Yeah, like a diamond, cross between a diamond and a leaf. That's a really good way of describing it. Fantastic. Okay. Now, Asian dragons are kind of a bit like deer, so they're going to have some antlers. So from this point, I'm going to do a curved line that way. And I'm going to do a curved line this way.
Now it's definitely like a leaf.
Mm-hmm.
That actually looks like an ant face.
It does look a bit like an ant at the moment, doesn't it? And then I'm going to do a little curve like that.
Oh, I'm running out of space.
That's alright because this is the top of the horn, so do another little curve like that. Okay? And then here I'm going to curve in and then round. So curve in, out and round like that. And this side, curve in, out and round like that. Okay, and then on this side I'm going to do his ears, so I'm going to do a leaf shape.
That's like a deer.
Like that, yeah, exactly like a deer. And this side, curve out.
That's like an ear, but like, where's it inside of the ear? How
Well,
would it get into its ear?
How's the sound? We're going to do that in a minute. So see that little bit there? I'm going to go do a line there and a line there to let the sound get in the ear. Okay, and I'll do like a little crease inside, like that.
Yeah.
And then from here we're going to do some sort of like cloud sort of shape. So we go round, round.
The hair?
Yeah, for the hair.
Like Yoda?
Like Yoda, exactly like Yoda. Okay? And then to give it a bit of a beard, I'm going to go round, loop, 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 like that. And this side, loop, 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 loop,
It's
like
an
that.
old grandpa.
He's a bit like a grandpa. And then we're going to do another, I'm going to do another one. But I'm going to try and make it fit in between the gaps, like that. Yeah? You got that?
Yeah.
Oh, and I need to do another little bit there. And another little bit there. Okay, looking good. Now just to add the scales, I'm going to do some little X's on the cheeks. Like that.
Oh, looks like he's been hit.
Like that. Okay?
Looks like he's been hit.
Okay, so he's got a long snaky body and that's why we put it this way. We've done it for landscape, okay? So for the neck, I'm going to do like an S, starting here, going round and then joining up there, like that.
Mike.
Yeah, that's good. And then I'm going to do another line parallel, like that. And then here, I'm going to follow it and go up and down. So up like that, and then down like that. And then I'm going to go down and then up again, like that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and then we're going to go down and then up like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so this side, we're going to follow it, we're going to continue it along like that. And then here I'm just going to do a very simple leg, so I'm going to do a curvy, wavy line like that.
Is that it?
That's good.
Oh.
And then I'm going to follow that back like that. And on this side I'm going to do a wavy line like that. And then another wavy line like that.
Done.
Yeah? So now I'm going to take this line along that way, loop it round, and we're kind of following the shape of that line. Okay, so the back legs are going to be a bit more tricky. So I'm going to do a loop like that for the back leg. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line, straight diagonal line that way. And then here I'm going to do like a little sort of claw shape. And then here I'm going to do like a triangle.
Talon?
Yeah, let's do its talons. And then I'm going to draw a straight line going down like that. And then I'm going to go loop back round and do that. Okay, and then see where the tummy is. I'm going to make the tummy join.
I already
there
did
like
that.
You've already done that, brilliant. Now for the back leg, we'll make it a lot more simple because it's going to be in shadow. So I'm just going to go like that. Then across like that. Then I'm going to do, and I'm going to follow along like that. And join it back like that. Okay? Now for the rest of the tail, we're going to have to loop that round and the tail's going to get skinnier. And go up to there like that. That's looking fantastic, beauty. Okay? And then we're kind of going to do like a flame shape on the tail.
Oh wait, I already.
Have you already done the thing? No, no, it's alright. At the very tip, we're going to do a round shape like that.
But I.
And then
Okay, I guess I could do that.
something like that. Yeah? Now along the back of the body, there's lots of little spikes. So we're kind of going to do like curvy triangles for the spikes. And leave room for them on the other side, like that. Okay, and for the scaly belly, what we're going to do is we're going to do straight lines. We're going to do straight lines.
Yeah, but to make
Like
it
that.
3D.
Yeah. We'll do straight lines like that. And then we're going to loop and join them up. And then on this bit we'll do just loops like that. And then on this side we can start doing diagonal lines like that. Yeah, and then we'll do the loops again to join them up. Okay, and we'll do the same for the underside of the tail. Okay, to about there. And we're going to loop, 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 loop. And then when we get to here, we'll just do little bits like that. Okay, we're nearly done. Just along the back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do those, you know, like those X shapes. I'm going to do some lines that way, and then some lines in the opposite direction to be like the diamond pattern of the scales. And I'm going to do this.
Crocodile.
Yeah, like a crocodile. I'm going to do the same along there like that. And do the same.
I did 4.
That's alright, it doesn't matter how many you do, because all we're doing is just suggesting scales. So I think we're ready to colour it in. Do you want to add some like clouds?
Probably.
Yeah, let's add some clouds. Now Chinese and Japanese art, they kind of make a little spiral in the cloud
I already did
to
that.
make it look like it's moving. Oh, you know. Okay. And make the end of the cloud kind of a little bit pointed, yeah? No, that's all right, we'll do it on the next one, yeah? Because we're going to put a cloud here. And a cloud here. I'll do another one here. Because even though they don't have wings, they still fly.
That's
And
impossible.
they kind of wiggle in the sky, don't they, like snakes?
That's weird.
Okay, that's looking fantastic. So let's colour it in now. Let's colour it in whatever colours you feel like colouring it in. Wow, what a beautiful dragon. Give us a high five. That's amazing. That's really beautiful. We've got some announcements to make for our viewers, haven't we? What are we going to announce?
a competition, and if you win, you get this prize.
And what do the viewers need to do to win this amazing book?
Well, you have to press the bell button and notifications and subscribe and look to our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
That's great information, but don't they also need to send us one of their beautiful drawings?
Or a bunch.
Or a whole bunch. A bunch would be much better. And who's going to judge these pictures?
Me.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you ever so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, bye bye.